What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. My name is RobSolutely. Today I'm going to do a wash and detail on my new 2023 CFMOTO 450 SS. I use Adams Polishes car shampoo and also Adams Polishes wheel and tire cleaner. Got my microfibers ready, got my little blue bucket ready, and over here I have my air compressor ready that I will use to blow off the water droplets when I'm done washing the bike. And that car in the background is my Mini Cooper Countryman that replaced my Ford Maverick. And I did some work on that. I did the orange stripes on the hood, so I'll do a video on that and probably do an updated video on the smart car at some point too. But that's in another video coming up later. I do something a lot of people think is unnecessary, which is covering up my exhaust pipe when I wash the bike because I don't want a lot of water to get in there. A little bit of water won't hurt anything, but I just don't want to slip up and get a whole bunch of water going down the can. Other than that, the bike is ready to be detailed. First thing I like to do are the wheels and tires because they are the dirtiest part of the bike. I know a lot of you are going to say you should start from the top and work your way down. That is true, but I always believe that you're better off to get the dirtiest part, which is the wheels and the tires, clean first, and then start from the top and work your way down. You don't have to get this real good, just wet it down a little bit. And then I put the Adams tire and wheel cleaner in this bucket. I put it in straight, use my boar's hair brush to soak it up, and then just start cleaning the wheels and tires. So I like to get my boar's hair brush, soak that up with the straight Adams wheel and tire cleaner, and then just start cleaning my wheels and tires. And then it's important to back the bike up or move it forward because everything up in here didn't really get scrubbed with the brush. So I'm going to back the bike up so that that is exposed. I get in there with the brush and get that cleaned up. One thing I really like about Adams wheel and tire cleaner is that it leaves the tires nice and black, so it doesn't put a tire shine on. It's actually just very clean. It gets rid of all the grime and the dirt and the oils, and it leaves the tires naturally black. This wheel and tire cleaner works really good on motorcycles, on cars, trucks, whatever. And if you're interested in getting some for yourself, there is a link in the description below. So check that out. You can get it on Amazon. It's not overly expensive. But getting back to detailing the bike, after I use the wheel and tire cleaner, I like to get the air compressor out and spray all the droplets off so that I don't have water marks. So check that out. The tires are nice and clean. There's no grease, grime, or shiny stuff on there. So the tires are in perfect shape now. And it is now time to move on to the rear. After you get the tires done, it's time to get the Adams car shampoo out. Make sure you use a clean bucket or you clean your bucket out that you used before. And if you use the same brush, make sure you clean that out well too. You don't want the tire and wheel cleaner mixed with the car shampoo because the car shampoo is much more mild. You don't need a lot of soap and water for a bike. And like I said, you want to start from the top and work your way down when you wash the bike. So just kind of rinse it off real quick. I use a microfiber rag when I wash my bike. So it's going to be hard to hold the camera and wash the bike at the same time, but you get the idea. Just wipe it down from the top and then you'll rinse it off. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Got to do the whole bike, so I'm going to put the camera down now and I'll be right back. And the final step is to make sure you get all the water droplets off. So we get our air compressor back out and blow off all the water droplets. That's what it looks like after it's been washed and dried. Next thing is to do a little detail with Adams CS3. This is a clean shine and protector. It does an amazing job. I've been using it for a while. And again, if you want to use any of these Adams products that I have used today, there are links in the description of this video. And after it's all detailed with CS3, this is what it looks like, nice and shiny. I don't know if you can tell in video, but the black is super shiny. There's actually some blue metallic in it. If you have any questions on how I detailed this bike, make sure you leave a comment in the description below and I'll be happy to answer it. And thanks for watching the video, guys. Bye-bye.